What employers do is generally employ drug tests. If an employer wants to make a drug test a condition of employment, they generally can, subject to certain restrictions where they can't. In a job where safety, for example, is an important element, driving machinery or things of that nature, you could expect to have a drug test and maybe even interval drug tests throughout your employment. In other white-collar jobs and things like that, you don't really see a lot of drug testing policies anymore because they're very costly and expensive. No one should ask you about illegal drug use in a job interview. There's no place for that. So if you're interviewing for a job and somebody asks you, you can refuse to answer, but your employer can ask you to take a drug test as a condition of employment in most cases.